Our team has spent a lot of time over the past years working on BuddyBoss and LearnDash sites. It's really become our specialty. We started working with both BuddyBoss and LearnDash when they were just starting, when BuddyBoss and LearnDash established kind of an alliance. They built a social learner for LearnDash, and we were working on it right away. So several years back when they released BuddyBoss App, we were very intrigued because we did have a lot of customers that were using it, and we saw this as a super opportunity for adding a BuddyBoss app-powered mobile application that allows you to have a mobile app version of your website. So, being that our practice is all about community sites and online learning sites, we made a point of understanding it, learning it, and last spring, this is spring of 2003, we launched our BuddyBoss app practice, which is, an extension of our BuddyBoss work. Now, a lot of people ask us, how good is it? And I'll tell you, it is a really great solution. We also build mobile apps as one of our consulting practices. And when you think about how much work it takes to build a mobile app and how expensive they can get, this is a fabulous solution, especially if you've already got a BuddyBoss site, a LearnDash site, and what you're trying to do is just launch the equivalent of that in a mobile application. The BuddyBoss app has some standard templates that allow you to launch an app version of your site very quickly. All of the native BuddyBoss features are implemented inside the app. All of the LearnDash courses, lessons, topics, quizzes are all a part of the app. So they come right through and function very nicely. BuddyBoss app also has what they call a web fallback function. So if you've implemented WordPress site features that are not native to BuddyBoss or LearnDash, what it does is it's going to open up a browser on your mobile device, and it's going to be implemented as the responsive version of the site. We've done a lot of testing. We've worked with a lot of customers that use that, and it gives a very, very good impression. The customer experience is really a good one. Now, we do have a lot of customers that are wanting more customization. They may have invested a lot of time in customizing the look and feel of their site. It's still BuddyBoss and LearnDash, but because of the customization, that all may not come through with the standard BuddyBoss app. So we've done some investigating. We really wanted to see if there was a way to get the BuddyBoss app to work really well with the right look and feel and without the web fallbacks. And there's a tool we've discovered and we've used, we've learned how to use, called Blockly. And it allows you to take the parts of the site that are not native to either BuddyBoss or LearnDash and convert them into, not really a page, but a section of the app that is native to it. So you're no longer opening up a window in the browser. The web fallback features are eliminated, and it's all implemented as part of the app. And in addition to the standard BuddyBoss templates that you would be using if you were using the standard BuddyBoss app, you can do a lot of customization so that the visual look and feel of the site is a little more elegant. It can be customized to more to your branding, and you just have a lot more options. So we've had a lot of happy customers that we've run through the process, both with what I call our standard BuddyBoss app implementation and our enhanced BuddyBoss app implementation. It's a great solution. It's one that I think it services the needs of a lot of people. And if you're already using BuddyBoss and LearnDash, it's just a real no-brainer if what you're wanting is to give people a BuddyBoss app, mobile app that people can use on their phones and with a really great experience.